to my YouTube channel Electronics Guide. In this video we'll learn about the what is electronics and its facts. Okay, let's start the content. First, what is mean by electronics? Electronics means it comprises the physics, engineering, technology and applications that deals with the emission, flow and control of electrons in vacuum and matter. Okay, let's go to facts. Number 1. Electronics manufacturing industry. Printed circuits boards are almost always green because they are made from a glass epoxy which is naturally green. Next, flexible PCBs are built on flexible high temperature plastics like Kapton. Second, electronics is widely used in information processing, telecommunication and signal processing. The ability of electronic devices to act as switches makes digital information processing possible. Interconnections technologies such as circuit boards. Third, the main semiconductor used in electronic chips is silicon. Silicon is the most abundant element in the earth crust after oxygen. A lot of the internet information is sent over fiber optics. With fiber optics, light is used instead of electricity to send the information. Electronic devices have many electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, integrated circuits, connection wires and circuit boards. Number 4. By the late 1960s and early 1970s, the transistor and semiconductor began replacing vacuum tubes. Transistor can be made much smaller than vacuum tubes and they can work using less energy. Number 5. Electronics and electricity both deals with electric current, but each focuses on a different use of current. Electricity deals with current mainly as a form of energy that can operate lights, motors and other equipment. Electronics deals electric current chiefly as a means of carrying information. Current that carry information are called signals. Number 6. Electronics depends on contain highly specified electro devices, a television set, computer or other piece of complex electronic equipment may contain anywhere from hundreds to millions of these devices. The best and most important electronic device is the transistor. Number 7. Electronic devices are commonly used in a large number of applications that formerly relied on mechanical or electric system for their operation. Examples are electronic controls in automatic cameras, electronic ignition system in cars, and electronic control in domestic equipment such as washing machines. Number 8. Electronics as an important role in a country's development process today. Electronics plays a catalyst role in enhancing production and productivity in key sectors of the economy, whether it relates to infrastructure, process industries and communications. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, share.